It's a 2017 Porsche 911. An exhilarating performance for you to enjoy every day and comfortable enough to do so. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Twin-turbo H6 engine, all-wheel steering, engine auto stop-start feature, power rear spoiler, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and auto-shift manual transmission. Road and Track report, Porsche's EPAS is the best in the business, and the 911s is the most talkative helm they offer. Porsche, highly intelligent performance. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Porsche Atlanta Perimeter, we prove that buying a car can be a world-class experience. Contact Porsche Atlanta Perimeter today. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Boulevard.